Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. First of all, happy Rabi Awal to each and everyone. And if you guys want to follow my Instagram, link of my Instagram is in the description. And if you guys want to purchase any kind of turban or any kind of shima, you guys can contact to my own brand Ariel. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful Madani style Amamah Sharif for Rabi Awal, that is tomorrow. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Amamah Sharif that you guys can wear on Rabi Awal. The main thing is this one, okay? I just add this beautiful look in my Amamah Sharif. So let's watch how can you tie this. For tying this Amamah Sharif, you guys want 4 meters of white fabric, malmal, and just a few green pieces of fabric for this design. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Amamah Sharif.
وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني إنك دائما مني وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني بأنك دائما مني أنا وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني عني وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأني منك هل أنسى بأنك دائما مني بأنك دائما مني أنا وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, because I'm just waiting for your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your Islamic friends. So Allah Hafiz till my next video.